Hey, David here from Brilliant Directories. We just pushed two new updates that make your site feel cleaner, more modern, and easier for both visitors and members to use. They're simple updates, but visually, they make a big difference, and it's something that we know a lot of you have been asking for. First, let's take a look at the new card view option for homepage streaming widgets. These are the sections that you can use to showcase your latest articles, events, classifieds, and other post types on your homepage. Here is the previous style. You can see that the posts are displayed with the image first and the details appear over the image. And it works well. It keeps the layout compact, but now there's a new card view option. So when card view is enabled, the same content is presented in a cleaner, more modern format. The image still featured at the top, but now the title, details, and button are displayed below the image inside of a polished card layout. So instead of visitors needing to hover to see the content's info, everything is easier to scan right away. For jobs, they can quickly see the job type, title, pay, start date, as well as the call to action button. And the best part is that this works across all of your homepage streaming widgets, so your site can have a more consistent, modern look across multiple homepage content sections. So with this, there are some simple style options. So here we are, we're just within settings and then design settings. Inside of design settings, we're in the homepage tab. Inside of enable additional sections, you'll see section settings, display post details, and there's now a card view option. On hover is the old classic default style. Card view is the new style, and you can see there's some additional settings specifically for card view. So in just a few clicks, a homepage can go from looking like this to looking like this. It's the same content, just presented in a way that feels more premium, more visual, and easier for visitors to explore. Now let's look at the second update, the new card style layout for the member upgrade page. This is the page members see when they're changing or upgrading or downgrading their membership plan. So this is the new layout. Here's the classic layout. This is what we're all pretty familiar with by now. The membership plans are stacked vertically, one after the other. It is clear, it is functional, but now there's a new advanced setting that lets you display those membership options as cards. When we turn that on, the page instantly feels like a more modern pricing or plan comparison page. Each membership plan has its own card. The benefits are a bit easier to compare now that they're side by side, and the selected plan stands out more clearly. Everything underneath the hood in the back end still works the same. This one setting improves the presentation only, and we can view that setting. It's an advanced setting. You can come on into settings and then advanced settings. And then within the signups and billing tab, if we scroll down just a little bit, we'll see this new advanced setting, use card-based layout on member upgrade page. So all you need to do is toggle this advanced setting on, log in as one of your members, visit the change your membership page, and you should see the new layout here just like this. So these two new updates are pretty simple design improvements, but we think they can have a big impact on how professional and polished your site looks and feels. So try them out on your site, take a look at the difference for yourself, and see which layout works best for you and your members. Let us know what you think about these updates, and feel free to drop a link to your site in the comments with the homepage content cards applied on your site. We'd love to see them. Thanks for watching, everyone.